So we're really excited about the Healthcare Experience Design Conference this year, March 25th, 26th, and 27th. It's our second year. Last year was the first year, and it was an amazing conference. There's a lot of healthcare technology conferences, and there's a lot of design conferences, but there's no conference that explores the overlap between healthcare and design. The conference this year is going to go into exploring themes like mobile, like social media, like behavior change, like emotional engagement, and also research and design methods so that we can all become better at what we do and understand what's working out there. But we're also going to be exploring how nutrition, fitness, and emotional well-being tie into everything that we do. The conference is one day, but we have workshops that are going to enable people to really roll their sleeves up and dig into the material and get some good hands-on learning experiences. So you can come for one day, or you can make it a 3-day experience where you can go back and change the world at your company or your organization. This year we have an amazing lineup of speakers. We have Todd Park, the CTO of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, talking about open data and how we can do amazing things with that. We have Robin O'Brien, who wrote The Unhealthy Truth, talking about how nutrition and whole food and organic food is really important to maintaining health. We have Gary HIRSHBERG, the former CEO of Stonyfield Yogurt, now the chairman, and he's talking about healthy food, healthy planet, doing great in business, but always doing it right and being ethical about it. We have Jonathan Bush talking about how design is extremely important to everything that we do in the healthcare space. We have Tim Keichnick from Kaiser Permanente talking about e-health equity and how we can actually use analytics to figure out better ways of doing things. We have Deb Gelman from Nutrisystem talking about social media mixed with behavior change. We have Josh Clark, who came up with the Couch to 5K mobile application, talking about designing for mobile and how to do it right. John Yesko from Walgreens talking about self-service, how to give people what they need conveniently. We also have Dustin DiTomaso talking about gamification and how you can use the psychology of gaming to elicit the sort of engagement that we're wanting to see in the consumer healthcare space. We also have Steven Anderson talking about emotional engagement, and BJ Fogg, all-time favorite, giving a workshop before the conference, his behavior change masterclass. We have Regina HOLLIDAY, patient rights advocate and a muralist, and she's going to be speaking about her personal experience, and she'll actually be creating a mural. If you work in healthcare and you understand that design research, design thinking, understanding patient needs, human needs, doctor needs, and if you believe that design can make a difference, you need to be at this conference. The people that are going to be at this conference are going to be inspired, and they're going to walk away with tips that they can put into practice when they get back to work. We're really fortunate this year to have a great bunch of companies sponsoring the conference. We have a Loft Group, a tremendous brand and marketing agency. We have the Center for Connected Health, Rock Health, sponsoring, and they're doing amazing things in and of their own right, but highly collaborative environment that healthcare is. We're really pleased to have them. We have GE Healthcare, UserZoom, Moby Health News, Med City News, and the Frontier Project, all amazing sponsors that are enabling us to bring this conference together. The venue that we chose for this year's conference, the Westin Waterfront in Boston, is an amazing venue. Well, first of all, it's beautiful and zen-like and big enough to hold all the people that are going to be at this conference, but they're also committed to health and wellness. There's walking tours and running tours leaving from the lobby every morning, and we want to make our commitment to health and wellness clear at the conference. We're having a smoothie bar during the breaks, sponsored by Stonyfield Yogurt. We are going to have a masseuse at the event, and we do want to participate in those walking and running groups. So you're not just going to come and learn about designing and improving health. You're also going to have the opportunity to partake in good health, which we're excited about. Stay tuned at the HXDConf Twitter feed or on the website, because we're going to be having promotions where you're going to be able to get a reduced rate on certain days, or if you're interested in getting a scholarship so that you can come to the event. There's also a social network for the event on Crowdvine, so you can get signed up there and start, picking people you want to meet and start networking.